Dissatisfied by the judgment of the reference court, an appeal was filed before the High Court. The High Court set aside the order of the reference court, enhancing the compensation, and strangely enough held that the reference court had erred in enhancing the compensation. Aggrieved by the judgment of the High Court, the appellant filed a special leave petition before this court. This court, by its order dated 26/2/2007, set aside the judgment and remanded the matter to the High Court to consider the appeal afresh. Accordingly, the High Court heard the matter again and partly allowed the appeal, enhancing the compensation amount of rupees 75 per square feet. However, the High Court deducted rupees 25 per square feet for development charges. The High Court also did not award the compensation towards yielding coconut trees. Aggrieved by that order, the appellant has come before us by way of the present appeal. The learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the appellant, urged that as the land was on the outskirts of Bangalore city and had the great commercial potential, the High Court was bound to give enhanced compensation at least at the rate of rupees 100 per square feet. The learned counsel further, by way of his second submission, urged that the High Court at any rate should not have deducted rupees 25 per square feet, so as to limit the compensation to rupees 50 per square feet. The learned counsel pointed out that such deduction for development charges was completely unjustified, particularly because there could be no development in the small piece of land. As against this, the learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the respondent, supported the impugned judgment and contended that in fact the High Court had given much more compensation than what was actually deserved by the appellant. The High Court has increased the compensation from rupees 27.50 per square feet to rupees 75 per square feet. In the impugned judgment, the High Court observed that the concerned land was abutting the national highway and was within 15 kilometers from Bangalore City Corporation Limited, and further that all round development has taken place as industries have come up thereby. In this, the High Court relied upon a division bench judgment passed by the same High Court, wherein it was found that the value of the nearby land was 62.50 per square feet. The High Court ultimately held that since the said land referred to in the earlier judgment passed by it was 25 to 30 kilometers away from Bangalore bus station, the present land would deserve a better rate than the one given in the earlier judgment, since it was only 15 kilometers away from the bus station. Accordingly, the High Court recorded a finding that the rate of rupees 75 per square feet would be a proper rate. We are satisfied with this finding of the High Court, as the learned counsel has not been able to show anything from the record to hold that the concerned land would deserve a higher price than the one awarded by the High Court. Stop.